Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be tackling this guy right behind me, the refrigerator. We're going to be cleaning it out, organizing it, and making sure that everything is in its place and all set. So if you want to see how my fridge went from this to this, stay tuned and keep watching. So here's the before shot of the fridge. Everything is just kind of thrown in there, no rhyme or reason. Drawers are really full, so I need to go through those and throw away all the things that have expired. Such a random drawer at the bottom. I got these stackable fridge bin organizers from Amazon as well. So this is what it came with. It has two of these thinner ones, and then it has two that are larger. This egg holder, which I've always thought were really pretty. And then it has a drink holder, which I think I'm gonna use for drinks, but I might use it for something else, I don't know. But first thing, we're gonna wash them and then we'll put them in the fridge. So now that the bins are all cleaned and drying, while those are air drying, I'm going to start clearing out the fridge, taking everything out and putting it on the counter so I can see everything that we have, go through all the expired products and throw them away, and make sure that everything that I put back in the fridge is things that we are actually going to eat and use. Okay, so now the fridge is totally empty. Not cleaned out yet though, but you can see it's pretty dirty. It needs to be wiped down for sure. So next we're gonna wipe it down and clean it. I'm just using a disinfecting wipe to wipe out the shelves and the walls of the refrigerator, and then I'll take out all the drawers and the shelves individually and wash them in the sink to get them nice and clean. For some reason, putting the drawers back is always the hardest thing for me to do. It's kind of embarrassing. taking another disinfecting wipe and cleaning out that top little shelf area and wiping down the walls of the fridge again one more time just to get any spots that I might have missed. All right, so here is the fridge all cleaned out. Wipe down, all the drawers are clean. All the shelves, doors are wiped down. So now we are going to put the trays in and then put the food in. Okay, so now that the fridge is all clean, all the drawers are clean, and all of the containers are all cleaned and wiped down and dried, I'm going to put the trays, all the organizing trays, into the fridge first, and then I'm going to go in and organize all the food on all the shelves. So let's get started. If you are still with me in this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. For some reason, the refrigerator doors were the most challenging for me to figure out. I kept rearranging things. I think this is how I'm going to end up keeping it, but we'll see. As you can see, I'm moving things around a whole lot. So here is the final product. Got all of our condiments and dressings and some milk and coffee and stuff in the door of the fridge, and then juices on top, eggs and carrot cake, pregnancy craving. I was really happy that all those organizers fit on that shelf, so that helps a lot. And then the top drawer, we've got cheeses and lunch meats, and then the next drawer is fruits and vegetables. And the bottom drawer is just random. Tortillas, raviolis, and I think some cookie dough too. much for watching and hanging out with me while I clean my fridge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.